Hello Mzansi, on this episode of Uthando Nesthembu, wife number 2 and wife number 4, Umangweni and Umangwabi, they still stand their ground. They are saying no to wife number 5. Maweni's reasons are, she is older now, she can see trouble from a distance, and she has experience. So those are her reasons for saying no to wife number 5. Umangwabi's reasons, wife number 4, saying no to wife number 5. She said that Musa has a lot of girlfriends and he will continue to have more girlfriends. So she is not interested in wife number 5 and she doesn't want to meet her either. Whether she is an official girlfriend or not, she is not interested. Musa Mseleku goes to confide in Makhumalo, wife number 3. He told the viewers that he feels more comfortable and open when he talks to her. The only problem that Makhumalo raised about wife number 5 is sharing her day with wife number 5. Based on past experience, Makhumalo had to give away her day so that Musa Mseleku can welcome Umbali into the polygamist marriage. So Musa Mseleku did not sleep at her house for a year. They did not even have intercourse for that matter, so that Umbali could feel comfortable as a new wife, wife number 4. So this does not sit well with her because she had to always compromise for Musa. Musa Mseleku went to seek advice from Mr. Ngubo. He is like Mseleku's elder. Mr. Ngubo told Musa, what would you do if wife number 5 doesn't give you kids? He said he doesn't care. What is important to him right now is preserving the legacy of Mseleku. He said he will do everything in his power to make sure that all his wives are still married to him, even if he will had to wait for 3 years so that they can accept wife number 5. However, he cannot afford to lose his wives and kids because of one person coming into the picture. So he will wait for 3 years or more. Sneh and Musa Mseleku had lunch together. Sneh is Musa Mseleku's child from another woman, but raised by wife number 1. Musa Mseleku paid lobola for Sneh, and Sneh is in the process of changing surname to Mseleku with both of her kids. She broke up with the father of her kids. At the moment, we don't know where she lives, whether she went back home to live with her grandmother or she lives with wife number 1, because we can see her a lot in the episode. Unlike the previous seasons, she was not available. Musa Mseleku takes his wife's feelings into consideration as he makes the final decisions. He told Mangwabi, wife number 4, that he won't marry potential wife number 5 as he will continue to make her an official girlfriend. So Musa Mseleku told Mangwabi that he has a girlfriend. She must just know wherever she is. Next week, Musa Mseleku is in his traditional attire. He tells his wives that he is going to introduce wife number 5. Judging by the looks, Musa Mseleku might introduce his potential wife number 5 to us, the viewers, and his wives by the end of season 6. Anyway, Mzansi, till I see you again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for the latest Mugos. We can't wait to see wife number 5. Bye-bye.